Moko fair climb this step. Hey, yeah, why you wanna? Hey, salute. Oh yeah, sir. Make we start from this step.
Like this step now.
Yeah.
If you see, we use this one. My step on front, so will be black.
Yeah.
This one is super polish.
Okay.
Now good way.
Okay.
Why this one? We then our best way.
Okay. The bricks.
The bricks so will be like bricks. So this one we then the cut profile.
Okay.
Some people they like her, some people not see they like her. But this man he say we'll put down for him. So now we take by profile put.
Okay. This good best width size. So now what will be the size?
This one is 60 by 60.
Okay, this best width on Nigeria ties.
Na Nigeria ties. Na Nigeria. No, so na different company.
Yeah.
When they produce for Nigeria.
Okay.
So now it be.
Okay, sir. We are now make a climb. Oh. I don't want to put sand. I make me they dust my leg.
Okay.
Wow. Oga Sigmoso, you get what where I can observe now. You know, just like I say, why Oga Sigmoso, why they not come and register? I don't know, say when I use I take create create something.
Okay, yes. You know, these ties, some people they fix I get two ways to fix her.
Yes.
Like people they give me work, I they give them the pattern where they fit her. Complete get your pattern.
Okay.
They get complete pattern, go be like say form circle.
Yeah.
But that one, if you know if anything they happen to her, go put the show.
Okay.
But this one, this pattern will they create put so.
Yeah.
All the line go one side. So they find where.
Oh yes, I bet you come this side. Make I show them the wave.
Okay.
So my people see they just the wave they go. Just the wave. Different waves. Now you're there. Wow. Oh yes, sir. This one will come to this middle so.
This one that they call decor. Many people see the lacquer. Now center decor instead of putting rug for your center, for the center of the place.
Yeah.
You put this one.
Wow. This one I have by 4.
Yes, this one are by 4, by 6 CD. But this one are by 4, and this one carry lion design. So the man he like her because
wait, that choose that be.
That choose her.
I don't know how it. Who give her this idea? I don't know.
They take your
I love her. You know, before people they use her for center, maybe dining.
Yes.
But don't believe me, for this outside where you're this so. What via gala guy?
Everybody go here they see her. So as it is, so once anybody come, you go see her. Nothing go hide her. You know, so if you use her for parlor, we're not big. She go come they cover some space. Yes.
Yeah, it makes sense. Where? Okay. You want to put that door?
Yeah, I want to put this door. I see whether the keys today.
Okay.
Now the visitor side.
Okay, now be that one. Okay, Augustic boss, here na the entrance.
Here na the entrance, na the porch.
Okay.
This one na the porch, this one na the veranda.
Okay. This one, so now which type is this?
This one this type so this particular one na good way. This one 60 by 60.
See Nigeria ties.
Yes, see Nigeria ties, super polish.
Where they carry cellophane?
Where the carry cellophane be this one so.
Wow.
This design don't first come out before.
Yes.
But they can't redo one. If you watch some of my old video,
yeah,
we don't use these styles.
Yes.
But the design it did a little bit different
from this
one now. This line so it is so. Those one for those one is small. But
okay, this one they pronounce.
They can't they pronounce. So now new design.
Okay. So my people, what they always talk, we say, you know, if you go use a big money to buy ties, you can't go give a shoemaker make comfy ties for you. Believe me, all what on the upside down. Yeah. if you not wear slippers, ties go the cut leg. Don't do one like that too. Good say make you give professionals your ties, make it fit. I still get a lot of interest for this black ties and this decor. Because the wave, it just the turn. I just like. Oh yes, sir. I'm going to enter the main city room.
So as they enter now, and the first thing is that they make sitting room. And that veranda times 9 days.
Sir, get it, I mean, you come this side. Get the way we want to take and registers. It just when you are coming now, just the you don't like they just throw something for no one.
Let's say the first if you want later is though I don't know how other people they do and the way we take they do our own. We they give her the pattern we go make her come at well.
Wow. You don't be like no use rule as a measurer.
I see the use roller measure.
One when you this one, he just the wave. See, everything just they follow. Everything just dey accordingly.
And so it be.
Nice one. Wow. It's those who understand the tiles installation, we know about building, go if they see come, they'll say no, say who feels this tile is really try because of how the wave today. Even the one that connect the sketching too, everything just follow. This one I see 60 by 60 now.
Now 60 by 60. This house now basically 60 by 60. Now we use both for wall, both for floor.
Now how many rooms this house gets?
About 4 rooms.
4 rooms.
About 4.
Okay.
Up, yes. 4 rooms.
Oh yeah.
Now the visitor toilet.
Okay. I beg sir, this tiles we dey inside here. So now which tile be this one?
This particular one. This one Veroni.
Okay. Super polish too.
No, glaze.
Normal glaze.
Normal glaze.
Where is the wall?
90 the wall, 90 the floor.
60 by 60.
60 by 60.
Oh God. When you wanna see what's how you feel? If they happy as they happy so. My correct I need to come see my look. My teeth one fall. I you put my teeth for ground. Yeah.
It's not the visitor toilet.
Wow. 60 by 60 don't I see used for the wall.
Yes, the
and
wall
the floor.
and the floor. Yes.
Okay. I said this one I have Veroni.
Now Veroni, yes.
Okay. Veroni 60 by 60, normal glaze. Yes, sir. Make cool.
Okay. First check the kitchen.
Okay. You know, one room be there where we supposed show.
That one, visitor room.
Okay, it dey locked.
They lock.
Oh yes, sir. Beg, which kind of tiles be this one?
This one, I will get one of my video we do before.
Yeah.
This party, I still use this tiles for one room.
Okay.
This one, now they call CDK.
Okuta. I know.
This is how they fuse at the tire road.
The village are tired.
Yes, they fuse at tire road. This is how they call CDK.
Okay. 60 by 60.
It's not 60 by 60 CDK.
That means it's strong, well.
Very strong.
That make me the color. You know, say I say now Okuta ebi.
And make we even use them for step.
Okay.
Yes. Because all this area gets traffic.
Okay. Now, you know the glossy now.
No, not the glossary, now mats.
Okay, that mat. That's one.
If you put your leg, you see. Now
Now see the step.
the step.
Okay. Meanwhile, I'm going to visit the kitchen.
Yeah, now you see the kitchen.
Okay. Although say things dey, but I see the wave as Mate bring
Yes,
about.
that's where they go. Just stay there, come pack wound. They're not come steal and I'm making the pack and there.
Okay. This floor so for this kitchen, sir. Now how this one sit there?
That's 60 by 60.
Okay. Now which kind of tiles with this?
This one now na good way.
Good way. Okay, but it can't be matte.
Yeah, this one na mat.
Okay.
This one I stand on top so.
Okay.
This one na mat with this. If you see it's not for your bathroom.
Okay.
So
60 by 60 mat.
60 by 60 mat.
Now see the way when I take fish when I just wave and go one side. You just do you'll be like saying a V and I just
They form that V, they form
Yes.
V shape looking like this.
yes.
Like this they come.
I just see him.
If you see create on that pattern with these styles.
Okay. Oh yeah, sir. Make we come the wall.
Now the kitchen wall be this. This kitchen wall now time. Now be this kitchen wall.
Okay, the size, sir.
The size now 25 by 40.
25 by 40.
Yes.
Now see Nigeria tiles.
And the Nigeria tiles all of them be. Not because the Nigeria tiles no last though. This one we are assessing our wall, nothing they do.
Sir, this one on a turner. On stand down.
Yes, we stand down. Why we start really stand down because of this center design.
Okay.
Where the owner wants. So you know if you can put this slip this one, you can stand this one.
You know, makes
because
sense.
of the pattern. If you check the center design, you see the way it is. If you turn that now, you know good.
Wow. So I see as soon as you use a cutting machine for you.
That one normal work now. No, so if you use cutting machine, if you want to use you go provide generator, you provide fuel. So bring our cutting machine, use and take ball or the hole.
I don't see him. Even when the PC they won't put things everywhere, just still dey very neat.
We still even use profile for the door.
Okay.
Profile dey the door.
Okay.
The same for the window.
Okay. Seeing this one, I never be like 25 by 40.
And the whole thing arrange
You just be like say rain dey drop for the wall.
Yes. Be like those rainbow design.
Makes sense. Oh yes, sir. Nice to be this one now.
And I dey here. By this side now.
Okay.
This side my sister.
Okay.
Here na the dining.
Okay. Now this side the dining there.
Like the dining there.
Okay.
So here will be the dining. So the owner see one tiles for the wall.
Okay.
I will see use them for the wall. These tiles really the wall and they are same tiles really that kitchen. 25 by 40.
My crop, I go softly turn my camera around small, so that our viewer will just feel the tiles within this wall. So they'll use this one now to look how the kitchen on day. If person is short for this one, food they quick digest.
You not bellyful.
And yeah, I'm on now. So my grandpa sometimes go to tell us say not be by big ties or other country ties now go make your work mature. It depends on who use them and how you take couple the jobs together. Some people they don't sabi combine colors. Yeah, yes. They'll just use multiple colors. So you can't be like almost something. You can't look childish. But if you see this one now, they very you go hardly know say nah
small ties.
There's more ties with this. See, and the money now go see they reduce compared to those big one. Money go see reduce. I mean, because sometimes we come couple and say, okay, use this one. You will see use money to do another thing. Yeah. Just make them just see the water as well. Oh yeah, sir, we could come the floor. Why we not him? The same with the one with the parlor.
So with the one with the parlor.
The same wave.
Right now the dining. So this one are the now 60 by 60.
Okay. Super polish.
Super polish. Polish that is porcelain.
This one they carry cellophane.
This one they carry cellophane. Yes.
I know. Yeah, sir, where next?
Back veranda.
Okay, the veranda.
And that black with the other side.
Okay, nice to do here.
And the back veranda.
Wow. See Nigeria ties. See how see they spark. Okay. Now to carry them climb up, Nabi.
The store, down at the store, normally.
Make I show them.
On this
Okay, this one at 40 by 40.
40 by 40 for store.
Yeah, sir.
So enter up.
Okay, this one is the CDK now. 60 by 60. Okay. The owner of this house, as me and Oga Sigmons, they climb, they go up. So now, so your money go just they go up.
Amen.
The owner of this house, as me and Oga Sigmons, just the waka they go up. So now, so your money go just the waka. As many people want view this video, and so your success go just the explode the hair. The more eyes we look this video, the more your blessings go just they increase. Because it's not really easy at all. It's not easy. Wow.
Now the step, now I call it this year so. Oh yeah.
This ties he day body. Day body. Oh yes, sir. Where next?
This one at the master room.
Okay, the main masters. A stadium at him. A football pitch.
And the master room be this one.
Oh yes, sir. Now which kind ties be this one?
So now 60 by 60.
Okay, but it come be normal glaze.
It come be normal glaze.
Yeah.
You don't actually need super polish for room.
For room, yeah.
You don't need super polish for room because leg not the two come be a must. So this one now 60 by 60 normal glaze.
Now which product of type is this?
This one at time.
Okay.
Time ceramic.
This one able to need many pattern.
No.
So my couple still on the tiles matter. Now the main master bedroom. Now we are there. So so at time 60 by 60 time ties and 60 by 60 ties. Now be this one. Yes, sir.
So you're coming master toilet.
Okay. Wow. This floor so sir now which kind ties with this one?
You know that's 60 by 60 for wall, 60 by 60 for floor.
And which ties with this one, sir?
This one now see time.
That's the ground so.
That's the grass so.
That will be so much, you know. Wow. I really love this one.
It almost did like that first one just now.
But this one now come hard spice.
This center separator.
Yes. Wow. Okay. You come make it from this side. Okay. Yeah.
So it's now the other two room for up.
Okay.
We'll take one of this room. Now the same thing we get there, now you get here.
Okay. This one,
Yes, this one are the passage for up, the lobby.
okay. Okay.
The lobby, the back veranda also.
Okay. Okay, I just show them the back veranda.
All the veranda are the same type.
Same tiles. Okay. Okay.
And one of the room be that.
Okay. Everything just flush.
Yes.
Okay. The same tiles.
Yes, nice to the wall, nice to the floor.
So now the wardrobe.
The wardrobe area be that.
Okay.
And the other room.
The last room. Okay. That spot for outside. Where they fall the enter that side.
Now we.
Okay. Go see her. When I see tiles on her.
Yes, now.
Okay. I want to go from up. They look grand. Okay. The same tiles.
Now the same size.
I see how they cut down. They know they mix tiles up all the space. Now see this one is full 60 by 60. Oh. They just cut down, wear around. Oh. So they'll come pinch and break tiles. That's where they use big money back. Destroy for sets. Okay. Wow. So my grandpa was still on the tiles installation. We all got Sigma's come do for one of our viewers. That was still the, believe me, this one did very massive. So whenever I enter here just now.
No. Here now the parlor for up. City room. And the user.
This I see you style big go. They just build that for inside body. Okay.
Now that portion where they talk just stand out with that.
For outside. Wow. Later now, maybe na bush bar or guy will come put for here. See the wave of the tiles just they pronounce well, especially for this side. As you just stay. Wow. Okay. Now only that room we did that, now will not feel access.
Now not for access. I say the same thing. The way the rooms for here be.
Okay. This same tiles, na dey.
Nice day, yes.
Okay. Wow. Okay. So my couple, now all be this. Oh yeah, sir. Now to take them around the surrounding now.
Yes, it's around the yes.
Okay. Oh yeah, now I just seen both up and down, none of his styles put.
Yes. This one get parapet.
Okay.
So it creates space where they want to do where they will put tiles for parapet.
Okay. Now see the same tiles.
Now see the same tiles. And what they down and they up.
Now see with that one for off for this.
Now see they up for here.
Okay. Since I don't from here, show them. And the open.
So you just take go around the house.
Okay. So may I focus on this now because my camera now fit capture both up and down. Okay. This size just outside. You say now which kind type be this one?
This particular one. Now good way.
Good way. This size now which size it be?
It's around 60 by 30 by 60.
Okay, 30 by 60. Okay. Okay. Nice day also.
Nice day up. Nice day that place for up here.
Okay. Okay, my crumple this side they very tight. It go dey very difficult for me to fit pass through here, but as you can see, it go hard though. And I have to go follow around.
If you end down there.
Okay, still on the surrounding wall. Nice to be this one now.
Yes, nice to follow here.
Okay.
Side.
Oh. Oh. $30 by $60.
Yes, not 30 by 60.
Just to make I give them a closer look.
Okay. At the end there.
Okay. Make I.
Other side there today.
Make I manage here. I need still carry mat go up here. Okay.
As a day like this now, so see the up.
And my camera don't go your read that side.
If you want to check the up, you know say you come up for the house, you go outside. And so it day up.
Okay. Okay. So So my people, I sit there with Oga Sigmos, one of the talents we did for Edo CBC. As I talk, I say I come monitor the job. We one of our viewers give them. If you don't see, I don't agree come up for you. You know why? And I hear me your like today. I make me just say I hear me one your day. Oh yeah, sir. How many square meters enter this house?
This house now about 880 something.
880 something square meters.
I enter. Just now both inside wall and the surrounding.
Okay.
All of them put together.
Even this only this house, the only this punch out for outside sha. This one I just house.
A day here, a day up.
That one just reach. Okay, 880 something.
Small now remain for 1,000 now. Close to.
Okay. Wow. So my couple I don't hear from Oga Sigmos 880 how many?
88.
Okay, 800. I'm just say 888 square meters. Oh yeah. Now how many bags of cement you use for this house for the installation?
The installation of this house now. The total cement mass wey the man buy 100.
Okay.
But wetin we can't use now about 95.
95.
About 95.
Then what about sand? I want just
the sand.
Yeah.
The sand what they do here now two trip.
Okay, 2 in 1.
Sharp sand. 2 in 1, 2.
2. You don't remember at all.
Now some small I remember.
Okay. Oh yeah. Then on square meter, sir. Now how much per square meter now that they do installation?
You know say per square meter currently.
Yeah.
We know you get one fixed price.
Okay.
Currently because of the different tiles with the way that they buy and the different work.
Okay.
Like for example now for this place now we use machine.
Yeah.
The owner bring a generator, provide fuel. We use machine. You know say when they use machine they work, they take a lot of time.
Okay.
Not be manual. So like for here now the meter what amount we charge them for here and you know use big tiles now 1,200.
Okay, 1, 2.
And now we charge them for here.
Okay.
You know use big tiles. But to say you use bigger tiles like 60 by 120, 120 by 120,
yeah,
we will charge them more.
Okay. Like here now 1,200 per square meter.
Yeah, now we take do everything.
Okay, everything.
Everything, yes.
Both the up installation.
Except for the surrounding.
Okay.
And the step which we always dey talk for our videos before if they follow us. You know say step surrounding we not dey based on meter. We dey talk on based on charges.
Okay.
Because those work different from inside house work.
Okay. Then the pillars and the
yes, all those one join the surrounding.
Okay, now how much are you doing?
The surrounding of this house now, both the up and the down, everything at 300.
300 because a scarf who want climb scaffold and then the crocodile. I do cocoa logo. I have to taba.
Every day is like the scaffold. So you say something, when this one climb, you go say no, you know go in the fear up. So, but we'll see doing our work.
Okay, so I can follow that here from Oga Sigmos. 1,200 naira per square meter.
Yes.
But if you be big, maybe that 60 by 120 now, that one go.
Yes.
Another charge go see follow on.
They enter.
Oh yeah, sir, make you appreciate the owner of this house. Wait, if he give you that kind of money, but because if you see calculate that 1,000 something times the numbers of square meter we enter here, you don't pass million, you don't pass millions already. So to install, to buy tiles that big money, to constantly installer that's still big money. So make you appreciate them and every other person where they give you job for
I want to use this medium. They appreciate not be only one. Every other person where they give us work for do CBC through the platform, because we dey into tiles installation. So I want to appreciate and I want to say God bless them. As you see give us this work, we no end for here. We see they give other people for our platform work because you see go seem to do paint, go seem to do other work for here. Staff floor see they come. So as God, as you see use us, use and they bless us. We see use and they bless other people also.
Amen. Oh yeah, my friend, I want to listen my voice without for Oga Sigmos. Until I appreciated the owner of this house. I don't talk just say as we climb that stairs, just now they go up. Now so your money go just they go up. everything will just concern you, and so they will just dey go up. Any bad thing, as we dey come down from that step, na so all of them go dey come down from your body.
Amen.
You know, we ever
Amen.
know a better yesterday. And every other person too, where they give us job across board with the thank on our way. Oh yes, sir. Quickly, I make you give them your phone number and also your office address.
Okay, my office address na number 55 along Country Home Road off Saple Road. So number 55 along Country Home Road off Saple Road. While my phone number, which is my WhatsApp number, because some people go see that they call, they not feel reach me. My WhatsApp number now is be the phone number 08079601484. So I repeat them again. You see the sign for the screen 08074601484. You say get that number, but this will not be WhatsApp. Now normal number. If you call on direct 09031858794 09031858794. So now na the one you physically call direct. Any of them will go, you reach me.
Okay, so my people, Oga Sigmon's number. I go to display for the under for this video while Edo CBC on go day on top of this video. One go to when I go up and do make una and baby una join share this video, make una still join Edo CBC, share this for the color video. For all of our way the color go say, we only try to call this my not the green pick, make una not verse. Only you want know if you do everything, only you want know if you do the work, make una bear with her. The one way go fit do, not be say you can't work finish. At the end of 4, you go come if you use one more take work, use 2 more say go sick. And I make how they do as a power reach. The number they the under for this video. I thank you once again for our support and also for our patronage. My country do. My name is Remain Igbinovia Osamodame, and this na Edo CBC.